Hey guys, I just got in this Syncwire TRS mini wire. Let's take a look and see how it does. So inside the package there is a little warranty guide, and there's safety instructions, and then there's the wire. Let's take a look. So there's a little twist tie on it. Let's see if we can untwist that twist tie. There we go. And so the wire is braided. It's interesting how it feels. There's a little tag at this end. Looks like just some kind of warning. And then here is what the connector looks like. So there is on each side a little label that says Syncwire, and then it's black on the rest of that connector. So that is the Syncwire TRS mini connector wire. I hope this review is helpful for you to decide if the Syncwire is the right wire for you.